Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the Winter Wonder Lane Prancer Decorated Urn Tree. So it's basically a tree that doesn't require decorations. I spend a lot of hours decorating my trees during Christmas, but this is going to make my life easier. So let's check it out. Okay, so it does have instructions here if you want to read them. I don't think it's necessary, but there are two sections, the top and bottom. Okay, so here we go. It is ready. Nice. So let me close the windows and we're going to turn it on. Wow, that looks beautiful. Okay, so let's make a little presentation. If you want to watch this video in 3D, just click on the link above or in the description. Okay folks, so we have reached the end of this review and I am going to give this tree a 5 stars out of 5 because it's perfect. I like everything about it and I have no complaints. Thank you for watching, subscribe and thumbs up.